Hey, it's James from Eating Orlando. It's National Donut Day, and as luck would have it, I'm here with Dunkin' Donuts head chef, right?
That's right.
Chef Jeff Miller. How you doing, Jeff?
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me. We're excited to be here in Central Florida talking National Donut Day.
Yeah, that's crazy that you're here on National Donut Day. It's amazing. So what's National Donut Day all about?
Well, you know, it's a day where everybody can get together and celebrate one of America's unique classic treats, a donut. And here at Dunkin' Donuts on Friday, June 3rd, National Donut Day, you can come in and get a free donut with the purchase of any beverage, and that's a great deal.
Yeah, that's great. Now let me ask you this. So, National Donut Day, did Dunkin' Donuts corporate lobby have anything to do with that?
No, it was actually a day that was created back, I believe it was World War I or World War II, where women would serve donuts to veterans and as part of a thank you for their service. So it became something that sort of grew out of that. So it was not something that we created, it's just something that we celebrate.
You mean I was clowning on it and it's a for real holiday?
It's a real holiday.
Okay.
Well, why not? What better holiday than a donut holiday?
Absolutely. What's new on the donut scene? What's the hot thing in the donut world these days?
Well, we have a few things. One of the new things that we have is a blueberry cobbler croissant donut, and this is delicious. And although it's not our classic line, which is free on National Donut Day, it's a premium donut that's a premium experience, and that's 24 layers of croissant dough that's beautifully fried, filled with blueberry filling, and topped with a cinnamon streusel. I think you had a taste of it before.
I had it.
How was it?
It was amazing. It's pretty amazing.
It's life-changing. I agree. It's life-changing.
Sure. Well, Chef, thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it. And happy Donut Day, National Donut Day.
Happy Donut Day, James. Thank you.
All right, there you have it. Happy National Donut Day, everybody. Now, excuse me while I eat me some donuts.